Today we are going to focus on simplifying mixed numbers and writing them as improper fractions. So you do need to read the directions to make sure you know what your final answer should look like. Here we're told an improper fraction. First thing though is to simplify. So in number 13 we have 2 and 12 24ths. 12 and 24 can both divide by 12. So we have 2 and 1/2. Now the question is, how do we turn that 2 and 1/2 into an improper fraction? The way we do that is by multiplying upwards diagonally. So 2 times 2 is 4. And then we turn and we add diagonally. That 4 plus the 1 in the numerator is 5. So we end up with 5 over 2. And number 14, both 12 and 60 can divide by 12, giving us 4 and 1/5. When we convert this, 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. So we get 21/5. Denominator doesn't change, only the numerator. And number 15, 4 and 8 can both divide by 4 to give us 2 and 1/2. And from the previous problem, number 13, we already know that 2 1/2 is 5/2. I invite you to pause and give 16 to 18 a try. For number 16, we can divide both 4 and 8 by 4, not 2. Let's divide them both by 4 and get this done as quickly as possible. That'll get me 3 and 1/2. So when we go to convert this, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus that 1 is 7. So we have 7/2. 18 and 36 will actually both divide by 18, getting us 3 and 1/2. And we know from literally our previous problem that 3 and 1/2 is 7/2. Finally, 6 and 24 can both divide by 6, getting us 3 and 1/4. When we go to convert this to an improper, when we multiply 4 times 3, we get 12. When we then add 12 and 1, we get 13. So our final answer today is 13/4.